TR here. This video will help you successfully complete the assignment Emotional Wellness PSA. PSA is an acronym for Public Service Announcement. As we scroll down the content page, you'll see some information regarding PSAs and a bit of a warning. Please do not use inappropriate language. The assignment. Key points is we've got links for interviews and personal stories. Please open and check these out. You have multiple options in terms of how you can present this. One is a brochure, second is a poster, third is an infographic, fourth is a video, fifth is a slideshow, sixth is a playlist with 2 to 3 minute personal video. Please notice that we have 7 points that need to be looked at and understood and dealt with in this assignment. An excellent exemplar is this PowerPoint, though you are not required by any means to use it. For those of you who want to follow the guidelines that I've set up, this is an excellent way to deal with the assignment. Rubric is here, and you can see the key points that I'll be using to mark. If we go to the content page, and the second content page has to do with the thoughtful replies. When you're supplying your thoughtful replies, be sure that you're giving substantial detail and you're focusing on something specific in their reply. When done, you're going to go to the discussions, and you're going to go to the Emotional Wellness PSA. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to use your private discussions to contact me. Thank you and have a great day.